Hello everyone, thanks so much for coming by today. I really do appreciate it. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the ORALIFT. Now the ORALIFT is a facial device, a device that you would put into your mouth, and it is for anti-aging purposes. You will see the link below in the description box below, and you will be able to click on that link and it will take you to the ORALIFT site for you to read more about it. So for the purposes of this video, it's just an introduction to the ORALIFT and face aerobics. So Dr. Nick Mahendra is the creator of the ORALIFT. And the ORALIFT is an amazing device that helps, it does so many things other than just anti-aging as well. It will help with your posture, it helps you stand straight, and over time you'll be standing tall and feeling so much better. It certainly helps with the way your face sits, so if you have an uneven face, this device will definitely help you with that. The other thing it does is it works with lifting the muscles and strengthening the muscles. Now this is why I was very interested in the ORALIFT and seeing if it worked with face aerobics, because that's exactly what face aerobics does. It lifts and strengthens the muscles. So what I found in my year's progress, because I had a year how to use it with face aerobics, and over the year I made some mistakes. I might have worn it a little bit too long, or I might have worn it not long enough. But over the time I found out and worked out how to use it where you will get excellent and very fast results when you're using the ORALIFT. Now I really feel like as I've used the ORALIFT over time, my face has made some different changes that they would not have made with the exercises. Because what the ORALIFT does is it works on the bone structure of your face as well, whereas facial exercise doesn't do that, it only works on the muscles. So with facial exercise, when you exercise your muscles, they become strong and the muscles adapt back to the natural state of your natural features. So basically, you will go back and look like you were, younger. You start to look like you did when you were younger. Because as we age, what happens is that our muscles start to fatigue, they fall down, they start sagging, and sometimes, in some cases, people take on a whole different look on the way that they used to look when they were young. So facial exercises and face aerobics does that. It takes you back to your natural look. But with the device, with the ORALIFT device, the difference is it helps the bone structure of the face. So both the ORALIFT and doing face aerobics work synergistically together in helping the muscles strengthen, but also the ORALIFT will help the muscles strengthen, but also it will sort out where the bone structure is on your face and it will put it back to where it should be. So if you're having neck problems, it will help your neck. If you're having jaw problems or any other problems where you need adjustments, it will start to help. Now look, I'm not saying that it will magically do it and you'll be fixed, if you've got some jaw problems or anything, but I'm so pleased with the results that I have. Now I'm going to show them to you now, and I want you to see, and I want you to have a look here at the results. Now that is my before picture, and that's really bad, isn't it? And I have to say, I was a little bit sick. I had been ill when I had that photo taken, so that was the photo taken on the app, and that was my before photo, and I look absolutely dreadful because I was so ill. The next photo was some months later, and basically I'm so pleased with the results of that photo because you can see how it's rounded up my face a bit more. You can see how it's put my face more in shape where it should be, rather than my face and jaw not sitting in the right spot, because my jaw sits over a bit. And what this has done, it has absolutely placed my jaw back, but it's placed my jaw back to where it should be sitting. So I am so happy with those results and what I achieved with that. And that's from doing, using the ORALIFT device and from doing facial exercise. So what I would encourage you today is go to the link below and click on the link, and it will take you straight to the ORALIFT site where you can look at all the before pictures, after pictures. There's many women on there who have been using this ORALIFT and have made incredible changes. But the best thing is that we've got face aerobics that go with it that make even better changes. So if you go ahead and have a look and you're a person that does face aerobics, please do consider purchasing one because you will have amazing results with this. I love it. I use mine, and I use mine the way that I use it because I had to change the program. I had to change the way we did the program, and I had to change the way we use the ORALIFT a little bit as well, so that it works with synergistically with face aerobics, and so it does not fatigue the face, so it does all the things that it should do for the face. All right, guys, I hope that's helped you today. Please do remember to subscribe to the channel, because when you do, you get all these great things that come along. Also, click that bell because you'll get notified, allegedly, by YouTube when I upload a video. And also going across the video right now is my premium face aerobics gym. Go ahead and pop that link into your browser. It'll take you straight to the gym and you can have a look at it. It might be something you might want to try for a year and see how you go. And you can see all the things that happen in the gym. It's all there. It's all very transparent. You can have a look and see. All right, guys, thanks so much for coming by. I really do appreciate it. You have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Till